Jones Road, I am so sorry. I need to redo my review. Hey everyone, I'm Becca. If you're new here, welcome. Normally I do hair content, but today I am apologizing to Jones Road. I figured out how to use their Miracle Balms, how I've been using them for the last probably 2 months on a regular basis, and I kind of wasn't so nice to them in my first review, so I'm sorry, but let's get into it, shall we? Prep my skin with some CeraVe, retinol serum, trying it out. Also trying this Charlotte Tilbury, like magic cream. You know what? This is why I don't give makeup recommendations, because I have no idea what this product does. No idea. I still can't figure it out. I've been using it for like 2 weeks. I'm like, does it even make a difference? I don't know. First, I have been applying my concealer. All of this matters because I feel like it makes a difference in how well this, like the Miracle Balms work. And right now, my concealer that I feel like got it on clearance at Ulta, I have been loving it. It's the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. It's like my uniform for my TikTok videos is this makeup routine. And I feel like it's given me the most like natural look, but it also lasts all day. I'm not a makeup artist. I do hair. But when you do hair, you still have to wear makeup and look nice. So you gotta know somewhat what you're doing. So I got away from applying my concealer first, and I have no idea why. I love it. I don't know, like, why do we put concealer on after our foundation? Let me know in the comments. Like, have you ever done that? Have you ever tried to put the concealer on first and found like better results? My results are always better. After this step is the Miracle Balm, so don't go away yet. I'm using my Ride or Die right now, the Tower 28 Sunny Days foundation, and I've noticed since using that full coverage concealer, like I don't need as much of this foundation at all. And you guys, again, I don't do makeup. I don't want all this fancy crap. I'm just using my fingers, literally. Only time, and this is how I found that the Miracle Balms work, the only time that I'm using tools is with those Miracle Balms. Because using my hands with the Miracle Balms have not worked. For those of you who have watched all my other videos, you're gonna be like, what is the video? This is nothing like any of your other videos. Okay, how I've figured out how to use Miracle Balms. So this is the Sun-Kissed proof that I've used it. And how I figured out how to use it is I just swirl my brush in. Ready? Watch this. And I just like tap it and like blend it in. And like what I love about this is that it gives like such a nice sunny glow without, that's how I figured out how to use them. Because what I've always thought is I think it's a really nice color for like a bronzer. And since I've been doing this routine, I've gotten so many DMs. Like, what is your natural makeup routine? Like, it's looking so nice. I'm like, let me tell you. Let me make a YouTube video about it. Now, I will say, I still don't love like how this feels on my face. It still feels heavy. Still feels like I can't touch my face, but I do love like the color and effect it gives. Okay, then I take the flush, and this one I do with my fingers. And I do this number, which I always was like, why do people do that? I understand, like it gives like a nice, I don't know, like girl next door vibe. And then sometimes I just do a little up there. And that's it. That's all she wrote. That's how I figured out how to use them. What do you guys think? Like, it gives such a nice, like, natural look. But again, like, I still stand by what I said in my first review. Like, it still is greasy. It's still, greasy is like extreme and don't come for me, but it's just like heavy. It is heavy. I do feel like my skin feels good when I'm wearing it, and I don't have any issues with like breakouts or anything, but I still, like, I can't like rest my hand on my face because it's like transfers. And again, I don't feel like it's lasted that long throughout the day. I think if you're curious, like definitely try it. I said that in the last video, but this is just how I've found to use them, and I have been using them consistently for like a month now, doing this same technique. Now I will show you, if you're interested, I'm gonna show you how I finish my makeup look, kind of make the makeup last a little bit longer, but it has been lasting all day. I just can't touch my face, and I have to use some sort of setting spray, and sometimes I have to use it a couple times throughout the day if I feel like it's wearing off. So if you don't want to watch the rest of this video, bye. I'll see you in the next video. More hair content coming your way, and some personal stuff. A lot of personal stuff is going on in my life, so maybe I'll share that one day. So if you want to stick around and watch how I finish, here it goes. that's how I have been doing my natural makeup look for all my TikTok videos that I've been recording. Jones Road, I apologize. Still, I stand by my other review. I just have learned different ways to use these products to work for my everyday life because I spent money on them and I want to make sure that I get my money's worth, okay? If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you like this format where I'm just sitting in my bedroom, sitting in front of the window, also leave a comment because I want to know what you guys think. I want to hopefully be putting out some more hair content. It might be a little bit less production, might not always be in the studio, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do to fit in with my life. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.